Welcome to Range Rover's Design and Engineering Centre. My name's Jonny Smith and I'm going behind the scenes to meet some of the designers and engineers responsible for creating Range Rover's all-new, amazing Evoque. We'll be finding out just what it takes to turn an awesome concept vehicle into an awesome real vehicle. And where better to start than at the beginning, the design and prototype build. Wouldn't it be great if building a car was just a simple process of gluing a few bits together and then painting them in attractive colours? Unfortunately, it's a little bit more complicated than that. I'm reliably informed that you need the following: product strategy letters of authority, concept design investigations, see-through vision properties, program start milestones, virtual clinics, full-sized interior clay models, full-sized exterior clay models. Go for one event. Stop playing. And all that has to happen before you can even start to think about the cubing reference models and the CDRMs, customer design reference models. To tell me more about what all that means, I went to have a chat with Mr. Gerry McGovern. Gerry is Range Rover's Design Director and the mastermind behind the design of the new Evoque. The first thing I wanted to know was why he felt that the world needed a smaller Range Rover.
It is the smallest, lightest Range Rover. Clearly that talks to a world that's far more conscious of sustainability. Now, we're not saying all our vehicles now are suddenly going to shrink. It's fairly true to say, however, all our vehicles will become much lighter and more fuel efficient, etc. And I can remember in some of the early debates about, oh well, we need to get more wheel travel, so that's going to change the profile, we're going to need to put the roof up at the back so we've got more. No, we've got to engineer it in a way that allows us to create this exciting, dramatic, totally unique shape. This isn't just about me on my own. I'm surrounded by some incredibly capable people, both designers and engineers. Things like this very dramatic falling roof and this very distinctive rising beltline, the waistline, is something we've never seen before. It talks to a sort of coupe-like vehicle, but it's still unmistakably a Range Rover.
The inside of Range Rovers up till now has been very important. It's the cockpit, it's where you sit. Is this going to be very similar? It's going to have the DNA of the bigger brothers.
This isn't supposed to be meant as an entry-level vehicle. This is somebody who wants Range Rover, who wants the qualities that are intrinsic to Range Rover, but they want it on a smaller scale. It's going to have premium levels of quality that we probably wouldn't have seen in any vehicle of this size before. I personally have a high confidence level that this is gonna hit the sweet spot.
I could have talked to Gerry all day, but he had to go to work on his next design masterpiece. So join me in part 2 as I have a nose around this huge design complex and find out why I'm wearing these.